Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cary Estate Planning back with another video as part of our 2020 challenge. And today I want to talk about trust protectors, what they do and why they're important. We're starting to see more and more often the need for or the use of trust protectors in usually trust documents like special needs trust, Medicaid trust, more complex trust planning, to make sure that there's essentially an independent intermediary or third party that can, without court order, court authority, change some of the terms of the trust without affecting the beneficial interests set out in the trust. And often this would be because of a change of law, a change of regulation, a change of circumstances, to basically be able to retool, the guts of the trust or the provisions of the trust to still effectuate the same objective of which the trust was created. So you see this in special needs trust. Often, our firm will serve as at least the designee to name a trust protector, but it's essentially allowing a third party to make small changes like removing a trustee, reworking regulatory language, reforming some of the authorities under the trust to make sure that the trust's purpose is carried out and that it's not sort of undone by a change in law, a change in tax structures, a change in the Internal Revenue Code, the PALMS manual, the Medicaid regulations, those sorts of things, so that something in the future, if it does happen, will not totally, end up, undoing the benefit of your trust. That's what a trust protector is. It's not a trustee. It's basically a third party named under the trust or an authority to name an additional person to reform the trust if needed. You see them obviously much more and more complex planning, not as much in wills and basic trusts, but that's generally what they do if you see them in a trust that you're a beneficiary of or trustee of. If you have any questions about how trust protectors work or if that's the best strategy for you, you can click the link below and you can get on our calendar to discuss a specific strategy that is narrowly tailored for you. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.